Title: 23 Face the Grim Reaper, Libyan court drops the hammer on his miscreants. TLDR, in a severe judicial move, 23 individuals found themselves on the receiving end of the death sentence in Libya for their engagement in a sinister Islamic State campaign. This malevolent spree included the capture of Sirte City and beheading Egyptian Christians in 2015. A total of 14 others also got life behind bars. While one person bagged 12 years in prison, the rest drew sentences ranging from 3 to 10 years. Let's not forget, 5 individuals were let off the hook, and 3 escaped the hand of justice, meeting their fate prior to their trial. Cruising into the heart of Misrata, Libya, we are welcomed by a stern-faced courthouse that has seen more than its fair share of tumult. The year is 2023, and it's a Monday like no other. 23 souls await their destiny, an outcome of their actions that has manifested into a dreadful sentence: death. Back in 2015, these very individuals were part of an Islamic State militant campaign, which saw the capture of Sirte City and the beheading of a group of Egyptian Christians. Remember, this was no clandestine operation. The years, as if mocking the world's helplessness, broadcasted this brutality in the form of grisly propaganda films. The Libyan branch was a fierce entity. In the aftermath of the 2011 NATO-backed uprising, this group took advantage of the ensuing chaos and warfare, emerging as one of the militant group's strongest, outside its original territory in Iraq and Syria. Now, you might be wondering, was the courthouse's decision too harsh? Or was it the only way to deal with the ramifications of such extreme acts of terrorism? The 23 sentenced to death weren't the only ones to face the music. 14 others were awarded life sentences, while several others faced varying years of imprisonment. Of the accused, 5 walked away acquitted, and 3 others escaped trial, courtesy of death itself. It didn't stop at Sirte. The group spread its nefarious tentacles to Benghazi, Derna and Idabia in eastern Libya, introducing a harsh regime of public morality, punctuated by brutal punishments. A stay at the luxury Corinthia Hotel in Tripoli in 2015 resulted in a deadly attack claiming 9 lives. Mustafa Salem Trabolsi, who heads an organization for bereaved families of people killed or disappeared by the group, voiced his thoughts. While he hoped for all the suspects to face the death penalty, he accepted the outcome. In the aftermath of such a verdict, we are left with questions. Has justice been served? Will the decision deter future insurgent activities or merely fuel the fire? Is death penalty the ultimate solution, or should we be looking at reformative measures? Was this decision a product of societal revenge or a manifestation of the law's ultimate goal, justice? And most importantly, will this bring peace to the bereaved families? Disclaimer: this article does not provide legal advice or recommendations. It merely presents the facts and information related to a specific case. What do you think about this case and the decision? Is the death penalty an effective deterrent for such crimes? Let's get this discussion rolling.